cheese, ham,
No, that is steak.
steak, fish, soup, cake, spaghetti, chicken, hot dog, pizza, sandwich.
Okay. Can you tell me about like one's favorite food? Which food do you like?
Cheese,
What else?
spaghetti,
What else?
cake,
And
pizza.
oh, which food does mommy like?
What? Fish,
And
sandwich,
sandwich. What about daddy?
yes.
What food does daddy like?
Ham,
Steak.
steak,
Steak and
soup.
soup. Good girl. What's your name?
My name is Boyquan.
Ah.